Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, transmission work, or a tune-up. At Bill Pierre Ford, we provide complete service for your Ford vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to brake repairs. Here at Bill Pierre Ford's state-of-the-art facility, our highly trained Ford service technicians are dedicated to getting you back on the road as quickly as possible. Visit us at www.pierreford.com. While you're there, schedule a service appointment. Like us on Facebook to find out about our specials before anyone else. Receive discounts on all warranties and extended warranties. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Bill Pierre Ford Service Center is located at 12531 30th Avenue Northeast in Seattle, Washington.